Hi everyone, welcome back to my cozy lifestyle. In my last video, I shared a full week's meal prep from chopping veggies to making an all-purpose gravy. Today I'll show you how I use that prep to create quick and delicious meals throughout the week. Here's the menu I have planned, from wholesome breakfast to cozy lunches. Let's get started. For Monday breakfast, I am making a colorful protein-packed poha. I start by frying peanuts, then saute mustard seed, curry leaves, onion, capsicum and cabbage, all pre-chopped during meal prep. Then goes in turmeric, salt, grated beetroot and boiled chickpeas. Finally, I add poha, topped with peanuts and lemon juice, and it's ready in less than 10 minutes. Would you try adding chickpeas to your poha, or do you prefer the classic version? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you are enjoying these quick recipes. For Monday lunch, I am making an easy and comforting kofta curry. In a kadhai, I heat oil and add cumin, coriander powder, red chili powder and my all-purpose gravy base. A little crushed ginger and garlic go in for flavor, along with some water and chili flakes. I let it boil and then add more hot water since koftas absorb a lot of gravy. A pinch of salt, a little kasuri methi, and finally I add the koftas. Thanks to my meal prep, the gravy base was ready, so this entire curry comes together in under 10 minutes. Serve it hot with chapati or rice. For Tuesday breakfast, I am making a quick upma. In a kadai, I heat ghee and add mustard seeds with curry leaves. Then I add finely chopped carrots and beans. Both were already cut and stored in my fridge during meal prep. So this dish comes together in no time. I saute the veggies, add turmeric powder, then pour in 4 cups of water. Once it boils, I add 1 cup of roasted semolina and salt. Stir well, and in just 5 minutes, soft and flavorful upma is ready to serve. For Tuesday lunch, I am making sweet and spicy pumpkin. In a cast iron kadhai, I heat oil and add methi seeds, then saute onions. Next, I add dried red chili, and after a quick mix, I add pumpkin cubes. I season with chili flakes, turmeric powder and salt, then cook until pumpkin softens. Once soft, I mash it gently and let it cook a little longer. To balance the flavors, I add jaggery powder for sweetness and a touch of pickle masala for that tangy spicy kick. Since I had already peeled and chopped the pumpkin during meal prep, it saved me a lot of time today. Otherwise, peeling and cutting pumpkin is the most time-consuming part of this dish. Now I just fry some puris, and the comforting combo of sweet and spicy pumpkin with puri is ready to enjoy hot. For Wednesday breakfast, I am making quick veggie wraps. On a chapati, I spread some homemade mayo and ketchup. Then add the veggie filling. I have already shared this recipe in one of my previous videos. Thanks to my meal prep, the filling was ready in the fridge, so this wrap hardly took 2 minutes to assemble. I toast it lightly on a skillet with a little butter until crisp and serve it with chilled cold coffee. A crunchy, refreshing breakfast ready in no time. For Wednesday lunch, I am making a quick mixed vegetable curry. I heat oil in a kadai, add cumin, coriander and my all-purpose gravy base, then mix in red chili powder and turmeric. Chopped onions go next, then vegetables of my choice. Today I am using capsicum, carrots, peas, beans and cauliflower. Since these were already chopped in my prep, it hardly takes time. I add salt, cover for a minute, then add paneer and cook briefly. In just 5 to 7 minutes, this hearty curry is ready to enjoy with chapati. Thursday breakfast is the classic aloo prantha. Since I always keep boiled potatoes ready in my fridge, the filling takes no time. I mash them with green chili, cumin, coriander, turmeric, ajwain, salt and kasuri methi. Then I stuff the mixture into a multigrain dough ball, roll it out and fry it on a skillet with ghee until golden. In less than 5 minutes, delicious aloo pranthas are ready to enjoy with curd or butter. For Thursday lunch, I am making a quick and wholesome pulao with loki raita. In a pressure cooker, I heat some oil and add cumin seeds, coriander powder and chopped onion. After sauteing, I add peas, beans and paneer, followed by turmeric powder. Next, I add washed rice, mix well, then pour in double the quantity of water. A little salt and ghee go in, and I let it cook for just one whistle. While that's cooking, I quickly prepare loki raita. In curd, I mix in boiled loki from my meal prep, then season with red chili powder, pink salt, white salt, raita masala and roasted cumin powder. The raita takes less than 2 minutes to make, and that's it. In just 5 to 7 minutes, a wholesome meal of pulao and loki raita is ready. Serve it with salad and enjoy. For Friday breakfast, I am making a high protein tikki wrap. On a skillet, I shallow fry 2 prepped moong dal tikkis until golden brown on both sides. I press them gently while frying so they cook evenly. Next, I take a hot paratha and spread some homemade tandoori mayonnaise. The crispy tikki goes on top with a layer of sliced onions. Thanks to my meal prep, the tikkis were ready in my fridge, so this wrap hardly took 2 minutes to assemble. A healthy, filling breakfast ready in no time. Friday lunch is one of my favorites, a rich and comforting matar paneer served with rice. I start by heating oil in a kadhai, adding cumin, coriander powder, red chili powder. Then goes in my all-purpose gravy base from meal prep, which saves me so much time. Once the masala cooks, I add peas, hot water and let it come to a boil. Then I add paneer cubes, matar paneer masala, salt and a little kasuri methi. To finish, I stir in a spoonful of cream for that restaurant style taste, and just like that, in about 10 minutes, matar paneer with rice is ready. Wholesome, rich and made so much easier thanks to meal prep. For Saturday brunch, I am making a complete thali. Let's start with the chana. In a cooker, I heat oil, add cumin, coriander powder, red chili, turmeric and my all-purpose gravy base. A little ginger garlic green chili paste goes in, followed by boiled chana from meal prep. I season with chili flakes, salt and chana masala, add hot water and let it cook for 2 whistles. That's it, chana is done. Now for kadhai paneer, the star of the thali. First, I dry roast cloves, black pepper, coriander, cumin, fennel seeds and red chilies. Once cooled, I grind them coarsely. This fresh masala makes all the difference. In a kadai, I saute diced onion and capsicum. Add the ground masala. Then my gravy base with hot water. When it boils, I add paneer, salt, kasuri methi and chili flakes. Finishing with cream for that rich restaurant style taste. Finally, I serve everything together. Fluffy rice, soft chapatis, spicy chana, creamy kadai paneer, bundi raita and salad. A complete, comforting thali ready in just 15 to 20 minutes. All thanks to Smart Meal Prep. Which recipe from this week will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And that's how one weekend of meal prep turned into a whole week of cozy meals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my cozy lifestyle for more weekly meal prep ideas. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye bye.